Hello everyone, today's topic is data entry, clinical. Data entry is a step in a clinical data management process that involves capturing, storing and maintaining the accuracy of clinical trial data. Here are some methods used for data entry. Here are some methods used for entry in CDM. Electronic Data Capture EDC, a web-based platform that allows for real-time data entry and management. Case report form CRA, paper-based form that are filled out by clinical trial staff and then entered into a clinical database. Direct data entry, authorized personnel enter data directly into a database. Here are some other steps in the CDM process. Planning defines the data management plan and create the case report form. Data cleaning, check and correct errors the data validation, ensure the data meets the requirement of the study protocol. Data analysis, analyze the data to produce the result of the study. Data reporting, prepare the final report of the study. Clinical trial are an essential component of the pharmaceutical industry. They help to develop new drug and medical devices that can improve patient outcomes and quality of life. Clinical trial generate a vast amount of data that needs to be collected, cleared and managed efficiently to ensure regulatory compliance and accurate result. Clinical trial data management and particular data cleaning and query management are critical to achieving accurate result and ensuring regulatory compliance. In a cloud-based electronic data capture EDC platform, and data cleaning and query management are streamlined to simplify the clinical trial process. Data cleaning in clinical trial, the data cleaning is the process of identifying and collecting errors, inconsistencies and collecting errors, inconsistencies and descriptions in the data. The clinical trial data cleaning is necessary to ensure that the collected data is accurate, reliable and of high quality. Our EDC provides various tools to simplify the data cleaning, such as automated edit checks and data validation rules. These tools can identify errors and inconsistencies in real time, reducing the need for manual review and correction. The importance of clinical data in the EDC cannot be overstated. It is crucial for ensuring data accuracy and reliability, which are critical for regulatory compliance and decision making. Without data cleaning, the result of clinical trial may be shocked, leading to incorrect conclusion and potential harm to patient. Identification of errors and inconsistencies. Our EDC automated edit check and data validation rules identifying errors and inconsistencies in real time. These tools can identify errors such as missing data, out of range values and inconsistent data. Collection of errors in inconsistencies. Once identified errors and inconsistencies need to be corrected. Data entry errors and may require a manual review and correction by verifying the source document and sending the clarification of the cleaning. Documentation of data cleaning activities. All data cleaning activities need to be documented to ensure regulatory compliance. Our EDC provides a built-in audit trails and track all changes made to be data non-compliance data and ensuring data completeness and accuracy, saving time and money. Data cleaning and query management can be time consuming and costly process. Medrive provides automated tools to simplify this process, reducing the time and cost of clinical trial, facilitating the decision making. And accurate and reliable data is essential for decision making in clinical trials. Thank you.